it's your boy SRT Tracking, man. Like, subscribe, comment below before the show, man. You feel me? Look, we in the Trackhawk today. Gaming yesterday, you know what I'm saying? We've been getting footage going. I got some rollers, man, yesterday in with my boy. But yeah, man, we in the track today. I ain't drove her, man, in like 2 weeks. I ain't drove the track in 2 weeks, man. So I'm gonna clean her up right quick, man. She filthy. And she been in the garage, man. I just don't understand, you feel me? How she so dirty, man, dusty, man, when she just been sitting in the garage. But yeah, we finna get her right together though, man. We outside, it's a good day. I thought about getting 300 out today, man, but I don't know. Saying that 300, man, I'ma wait on it. Long story short, yeah, man, look, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna wash her up right quick, man. Yeah. So look, I got the Reaper on the hood, man. Got Reaper on the hood, but everybody keep telling me to put the Reaper on the sides, man. So I'm thinking about going Reaper on the side. Y'all let me know, man. And think about painting them purple, man. Yeah. I think that'll complete it. I ain't trying to do too much purple, you feel me? But that's how we coming, man. The Reaper! Yeah, man, so if you know me, you know I love cars, man. And I'm gonna keep all of them clean, I ain't playing, especially on a day like this. I feel like, I'm saying, by your car being clean, it'll tell people a lot about you, you feel me? You know, I like to stay clean, man. I keep it on, no cap. The black cats, man, you feel me? God dang. Yeah, black cats on, man, you feel me? No Valley Basel, man, you feel me? Yeah, man. It's a light day for real, all black, man. All black for the track, man. We getting alright today, I ain't playing. Wide body, track easy. Wide body Reaper. Yeah, let me know, man, about that Reaper on the side. Let me know about the Reaper on the side, man. I think I want to do it though. Y'all remember she was yellow and black at once. But I don't know if I like the yellow and black or the purple and black better. I think I like the purple and black though. That purple just hit too different, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Pay your savings when I'm bored. I'm a young red bastard. I ain't gonna lie, man. I think I got one of the hardest tracks though. I ain't gonna lie. That's just my opinion. You know, I don't be judging, man. I don't be competing with nobody, man. I do my own little shit, man, and keep going. Yeah, it's a dolo motion. You know, I be dolo here where I go, for real. Be dolo, man. And look, I got that dolo motion merch on the way, you feel me? So, y'all stay tuned, man. See where I stay at, man. You just gotta make your way out. Like, this shit just don't.